Managing proxies can be frustrating, right? Switching servers, managing sessions, and keeping tasks running smoothly, it's a lot. But what if I told you there's an easier way? Stick with me, and I'll show you how FoxyProxy and IPRoyal can make it all simple and secure. In this video, I'll guide you through setting up this powerful duo on both Chrome and Firefox in just a few minutes. Stick around till the end because I'm going to share a little-known tip to help you save proxy bandwidth. But before we dive in, hit that like button and help us bring more tech tutorials like this. Did you know FoxyProxy supports multiple protocols like HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS 5? This popular browser extension makes proxy management a breeze with some really nice features. For example, rule lists are a lifesaver. They let you automate what sites to block, saving you tons of time. Multiple proxy profiles will be really handy because you can switch between proxies without breaking your flow. You can also import and export your proxies across apps and devices for a smooth and hassle-free setup, and much more. Now let's get started with the proxy setup. Just follow these steps and you'll have it up and running in no time. And make sure you don't miss my tips to troubleshoot common FoxyProxy issues like a pro. So stay with me till the end. Setting up FoxyProxy on Google Chrome. First up, Google Chrome. I'm assuming you already have FoxyProxy downloaded and installed in your browser, but if not, now's the time to do it. Now, let's click on this icon in the toolbar together. Follow me on the screen and select Options. Next, select the Proxies tab and click Add button. A new window will pop up where you can enter your proxy credentials. So let's switch to your IPRoyal dashboard to get your proxy details. Let's say you want to use high-end residential proxies from Cincinnati, the US, with HTTP or HTTPS support and sticky sessions lasting for 3 hours. Just copy your proxy credentials or your host name, port, username, and password, paste them into the appropriate fields in FoxyProxy. You can also give your proxy a custom name manually and set its location here. Click the Save button when you're done. Want to add an entire proxy list at once? Navigate to the Import tab and click on Import Proxy List. You can easily find your generated proxy list by scrolling down in the IPRoyal dashboard. Find the Formatted Proxy List section and click Copy button here to copy all the sessions you've generated. Now paste it into the designated field in FoxyProxy and click the Import button. You should see all your proxies here. If you click on any proxy from the list, you'll see an option to name it and set its location manually. Once you're done here, click the Save button to save all the changes. Did you know about FoxyProxy's global exclude feature? You can find it here under Options and use it to bypass the proxy for specific URLs. So your active proxy won't be used for whatever URLs you add here. Just don't forget to click the Save button. Now let's click on the FoxyProxy icon together. Just select the proxy you want to use and you're good to go. Alright, now let's see how to set up FoxyProxy with IPRoyal Proxies on Firefox. The process is almost the same, so you can follow along my screen. Download and install the extension in your browser, click on the FoxyProxy icon in the toolbar and select Options. Now navigate to the Proxies tab and then click the Add button here. You will see a window where you can add your proxy credentials, manually name your proxy server, and set its location. Open your IPRoyal dashboard to find your proxy credentials. Let's say you want to use high-end residential proxies from Sydney, Australia, with HTTP or HTTPS support and IPs that change after each request. Now, copy your proxy credentials or the host name, port, username, and password into the appropriate fields in FoxyProxy. If you want, you can also name the proxy and manually select the location and color so it's easier for you to see which proxy is in use. Then, click the Save button. Just like on the Chrome extension, you can add the entire proxy list here too. Now, navigate to the Import tab and click on Import Proxy List. This is where you add yours. You can easily find it in your IPRoyal dashboard. Just scroll down and click the Copy button under the Formatted Proxy List section here. Now, paste the credentials in the empty field and click the Import button. You can now see all of your proxies in FoxyProxy. If you click on any of them, you'll see an option to name it and set the location manually. The Global Exclude feature is also available in the Firefox extension. A quick reminder, it's an option that lets you access certain URLs directly and not through your active proxy. You can find it under Options, so just add the URLs here, click the Save button, and your active proxy won't be used for them. Now let's open a new tab together. together and click on the FoxyProxy icon. Just select the proxy you want to use here and you're all set. When you want to stop using the proxies added to your extension, click on the FoxyProxy toolbar icon and select Disable. Remember the key tip I promised about saving bandwidth? Here it is. FoxyProxy has a URL pattern feature that lets you specify which URLs shouldn't be accessed through your proxy. It can be quite useful for those who need customized rules. For example, if you want to use a proxy only for certain subdomains instead of the entire website, simply use wildcards to define your rules. This way you save bandwidth and use your proxies only when you need them. Having trouble? Don't worry, it happens to the best of us. Here's how you can fix some common FoxyProxy troubleshooting issues like a pro. Think your proxy isn't working? Just double check the IP location using our IP lookup tool. It's a quick fix. Can't find the URL patterns function? You might be using FoxyProxy's basic version. Download and install the standard version for free, and you'll get this feature right away. With over 32 million genuine residential IP addresses in over 195 locations worldwide, non-expiring traffic, and great bulk discounts, IPRoyal is the perfect match for FoxyProxy. Ready to automate your tasks without delays? Visit IPRoyal.com now and get the best proxies for FoxyProxy today. Need help setting up proxies for DuckDuckGo? Check out this video to learn how in just minutes. Make sure you subscribe for more tech tutorials and hit the bell icon. See you soon!